Hello family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing the crisscross braids. If you love to see how I achieve this beautiful look, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Please guys, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up as it helps my channel grow, and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Starting up, I'm going to divide the front hair where we are going to be doing the crisscross, and in the back it's just gonna be some box braids. Since my client wanted her hair like super full and long, so instead of doing the knotless method, we're gonna be doing the box braid. So it's still gonna be like the knotless. It's still gonna I'm still gonna divide it like the same way I'm going to be achieving the knotless, but when doing it I'm going to be doing the box braid method instead. So just watch me as I go along, and I'm going to explain how I achieve the look step by step. This very look can be achieved in so many ways. You can do like 3-step cornrows in the back, and you can equally do the knotless method, but I'm gonna be doing the box braid method instead. The reason why I'm doing box braid is because her hair is a little bit slippery. She have a very fine hair, so I'm going to be doing the box braid method, but it's equally gonna be flat, almost like the knotless, because I'm going to be turning the end of it just one time. The regular box braid, you have to turn the under like 3 to 4 times for it to really secure, but this one I'm actually dividing the hair into 2, and I'm just going to twist the end just 2 times. So you can watch me as I go along. You will see how I do it. Once I put the hair, I turn it just 1 time and that's it. I don't turn it the second time. That's what makes it like really flat, if you can notice that. I think I'm going to slow down for you to see the next one, how I'm achieving it. See how I do the under of the braid, and it's very secure without me turning it 2 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair, divide it into 2 instead of 3, and closely watch how I'm going to just turn it 1 time. So once I hold it, and now I'm just going to flip it to the other side, and that is it. So once I flip it like that, I'm going to just start braiding it, and it's very secure guys, and it's flat as well. So with this method you can do any type of big braids without doing the knotless method, and it's still going to be flat and even more secure. So this is how to achieve your flat seamless look and box braid without no big bumpy under. Just like that, flip it just 1 time and that's it. So this is how I'm going to achieve all the box braid in the back. We took 2 days to do this hair, and I'm going to do the box braid in the back, and it is like super long, and the next day I'm gonna come back and show you how we achieve the crisscross in the front.
Still make mistakes, it isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time.
Since I was doing the hair in the night, so I'm just gonna finish the box braid, and the next day I'm going to show you how I achieved the front. So this is the next day, and now I'm going to do the crisscross in the front. So for the method that we are going to be going for is 3 on each side and little bit of little cornrows in between the crisscross braids. So just watch me as I go along and you're going to see how I achieve this beautiful look in the front. So let me apologize before we get there. I was using my other camera and it died on me, so I changed to another one which is a little bit blurry, but I know you're still gonna see what I'm doing and you're still gonna see everything that we did to achieve this look. I'm sorry, I didn't notice that the brightening was too much, so to edit it was kind of a little bit hard, so I just let it go. So I promise it's never gonna happen again. For you to encourage me to grow and bring to you new videos is by clicking the like button, guys, and subscribe to my channel. That way you will be notified each time I upload a new video on my channel, and share it with your friends and family. That way we can grow as one family, guys. To all my old and new subscribers, you are so lovely. I love you all and thank you for always supporting and watching my videos. Without you guys, I'm not gonna be putting this video out there, so I thank you for your great support. Like I said, don't forget to give the thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. So now that I'm done with the cornrows in between, I'm now gonna go ahead and divide the hair that I'm going to be doing the crisscross method. So it's pretty simple. I'll be using a rubber band and a shining jam to achieve this look. So I'm just gonna put it all over the hair, especially on the needed, and I'm just going to divide it into two and use my rubber band to divide it, and that's it. And just cross the hair, pretty simple. So you can watch me as I go along and you will understand every bit of what I'm doing.
Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa,
After doing the crisscross method, now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same thing that I did in the back, which is the box braid. Like I said, cross it just one time. So I'm just gonna fill up the crisscross on the side, and when I'm done on this side, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, and I'll come back and show you the end result, guys.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality.
So I went ahead and did the other side off camera, and now I'm just gonna apply mousse, spray it down, do my client's baby hair, and dip the ends in hot water. And that's going to be it for this beautiful look, guys. You can see it came out so beautiful. My client loved her hair so much, and guys, I was so impressed the way the look came out. I love it so much. How I wish it was on my hair, guys. So I'm going to be applying the holding spray on where the crisscross braid is, that way it can hold her hair down, and tie it and just blow dry it, like I said, and dip it into hot water.
Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now.
Here is the final look, guys. It turned out so beautiful on my client. She was so happy with her look. I was so happy that I did a very great job to come up with this beautiful look and make my customer happy. And I know you like it too, so encourage me by giving me a thumbs up. And guys, subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this. Leave down your comments on any style you love to see me do on my channel, and share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.